Student, in this lecture we discuss about sine formula, cosine formula, and we solve some question of supplementary exercise chapter 3rd. First, a sine rule or a sine formula. Sine formula. Remember this here. Let in a triangle ABC, measure of angle A is a capital A, measure of this angle is a B, and measure of this angle is a C. And the length of AB is equal to, here AB is opposite of angle C. So take length of AB is equal to C. Similarly, BC is opposite of A. So take small a, length of BC is equal to small a, and length of AC is equal to small b. Then remember this formula, sin A upon A is equal to sin B upon B is equal to sin C upon C. Clear? This is a sine rule or a sine formula. Without proof, we accept this formula, sin A upon A is equal to sin B upon B is equal to sin C upon C. Clear? Now, cosine formula or cosine rules. Cos A, remember this, cos A is equal to big square plus 6 square minus x square, big square plus 6 square minus x square upon 2bc. Clear? Similarly, cos B is equal to, think how to get a cos B. Cos B is equal to x square plus 6 square minus big square upon 2ca or AC. So cos B is equal to x square plus 6 square minus big square upon 2ac, and cos C is equal to x square plus big square minus 6 square, x square plus big square minus 6 square upon 2ab. Clear? So remember all formula, sine formula and all the three cosine formula. Clear this? Now here we solve some question of exercise 3.5. First question, for in a triangle ABC, A is equal to 18, B is equal to 24, and C is equal to 30, find cos A, cos B, cos C. Find this cos A, cos B, cos C. You know that cos A is equal to, in the triangle ABC, cos A is equal to big square plus 6 square minus x square, big square plus 6 square minus x square upon 2bc. Clear? You know. Now replace A, B, C by its value. B is equal to 24 raised to 2 plus C is equal to 30 raised to 2 minus A is equal to 18 raised to 2 upon 2. B is a 24 and the C is a 30. Clear this? Now simplify this. 24 square is equal to, you know that, 24 into 24, 576, plus 30 square is equal to 900, you know. 18 square is equal to 324, you know that. Clear this? Upon product of all is equal to 1440. After simplification, you get 1152 upon 1440 and is equal to Using simple division method, get a factor of 1152 and so using common division method, get a factor. After removing a common factor from numerator denominator, we get 4 upon 5. Clear this answer. Similarly, we get a value of cos b applying same method and cos c. Clear? Just try to solve this yourself. Now, question number second. Find the sin A, sin B and sin C. In second question also apply same method. First get sin A, cos A, applying this formula and get value of sin A using identity. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So sin A is equal to 1 minus cos square A and is equal to root of 1 minus cos A in the first is equal to 4 upon 5. Square of this is 16 upon 25. So is equal to 25 minus 16, 9. Square root of 9 is 3 upon square root of 25 is 5. So sin A is equal to 3 upon 5. Similarly, we get sin B and sin C. Clear this? Sin C. Okay. Now question number third. Prove that A plus B upon C is equal to cos A minus B by 2 upon sin C by 2. Taking left hand side, LHS is equal to A plus B upon C is equal to A. You know that sine rule, sin A upon A is equal to sin B upon B is equal to sin C upon C is equal to say K. So A is equal to sin A upon K or say 1 upon K. Then A take this side, K take here. So A is equal to we get K sin A. This is a constant terms. Suppose any terms as per requirements or as per our convenience we get this. We suppose these terms. Here sin B upon B is equal to 1 upon K. So B is equal to K sin B. Similarly, B is equal to K sin B and similarly C is equal to K sin C. Clear this? Here using sine rules, A is equal to K sin A plus B is equal to K sin B upon C is equal to K sin C by this rule sin A. Clear? So is equal to K, remove this, S plus S is equal to 2SC. So 2 sin, take addition of these to A plus B upon 2 into cos A minus B upon 2. Clear? Upon sin C. Sin C is equal to, we know that formula, or write this, sin C is a 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2, you know. So is equal to 2 cancel from both. A plus B in a triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to, you know that, pi. So A plus B is equal to pi minus C, you know that. Clear? So 2 cancel, sin pi minus C into cos A minus B upon 2. Clear? Here sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Clear this? Sin pi minus C is equal to sin C, we know that. So sin C into cos A minus B by 2 upon sin C by 2 into here by 2. So sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Now from both sin c by 2 cancel, we get cos a minus b by 2 upon cos c by 2. Clear this? Sorry, Suleiman. Now here, in a triangle ABC, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 5. So this implies A plus B is equal to 5 minus C, and by 2, so A plus B by 2 is equal to 5 by 2 minus C by 2. Clear? So is equal to this become 2 cancel from both, sin pi by 2 minus C by 2 into cos A minus B upon 2 upon 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Clear this? Sin pi by 2 minus C by 2 is equal to sin change into cos form, cos C by 2 into cos A minus B upon 2 upon sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Clear this? Cos C by 2 from both cancel, we get cos A minus B by 2 upon sin C by 2. Hence proof this is a right hand side. Clear this? Applying same, we solve question number 4. A minus B upon 2 C is equal to sin A minus B by 2 upon cos C by 2. So A is equal to K sin A, B is equal to K sin B, C is equal to K sin C. Taking these terms, we get these terms. Clear? Similarly, in question number 5, same question, sin B minus C upon 2 is equal to B minus C upon A. In this case also, in place of B, C, here B minus C upon A into cos A by 2. Here B is equal to take K sin B, C is equal to K sin C, A is equal to K sin A, and simplify, applying same, and after simplification you get left hand side. Clear this? Now question number 7. A into cos C minus cos B is equal to prove that 2B minus C into cos square A by 2. Prove this. Here we take a left hand side, LHS is equal to A cos C minus cos B. Here apply C minus C. You know that C minus C is equal to minus 2 sin into sin. So 2 sin C minus C is equal to minus 2 SS. You know that, minus 2 SS. So minus 2 sin, take addition of these two, C plus B upon 2 into sin C minus B upon 2. Now minus apply to last terms, we get a 2C sin, and here in place of B plus C write a pi minus A by 2. Clear this? You know. And the sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So minus take inside. So we get here B minus C upon 2. Clear? Here A plus B plus C is equal to pi. We use these terms and we use this sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Clear this? So is equal to 2C sin pi by 2 minus A by 2, sin change into cos, cos A by 2. Clear? Into sin B minus C upon 2. Okay? Here A given A. So is equal to 2. Now A is equal to, you know, sine rules. Sin A upon A is equal to K. So A is equal to or 1 upon K. So A is equal to K sin A. So A is equal to K sin A into sin A capital A, because this is angle, cos A by 2 into sin B minus C upon 2. Clear this? So is equal to 2K. Here sin A by 2, sin change into form of this 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2 into sin B minus C by 2. Clear this? So is equal to, yes, sin A by 2 cos A by 2 into this cos A by 2 also given. So first write this cos A by 2 into sin B minus C by 2. Now cos into cos become cos here. Now this A by 2 change into B and C form. Here 2 into 2 become 4. Now sin A, apply this formula, sin 2 theta formula. So 2K into sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2 into cos A by 2 already given into sin last term B minus C by 2. Clear? Now simplify this. So here 2K into 2 sin A by 2, here this A by 2 change into B and C form, sin pi minus A is equal to, you know that A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So A is equal to pi minus into bracket B plus C, you know that. Clear? So apply these terms for sin A by 2. So B plus C and by 2. So divide by 2 to both. Clear? Into cos become cos square. Cos square A by 2. Clear this? Into sin B minus C by 2. Okay. Now simplify this. So 2 into K into 2. Write this separate. Sin pi by 2 minus this. So sin change into cos. Cos B plus C by 2 into cos square A by 2. Clear this? Into sin B minus C by 2. Okay. So is equal to, now cos square A by 2 is one required terms. So first arrange the terms. Cos B plus C by 2 sin B minus C by 2. So 2K into 2 cos B plus C by 2 into sin B minus C by 2. Clear? Into last right cos square A by 2, because this is the required terms. Now here we apply 2CS formula. So 2K into 2CS is equal to S minus S. So sin, take addition of these two only. So B plus C by 2 plus B minus C by 2 becomes B plus C plus B minus C. So 2B upon 2 becomes a B. You know. Clear? Minus sin, subtraction of these two, minus B plus B cancel, C to C upon 2 becomes a C. Okay. Into cos square A by 2. Clear this? So is equal to, now 2K only, K take inside, so K sin B, K sin C. So 2 into K sin B minus K sin C into cos square A by 2. So is equal to 2. Here K sin B is equal to, we know that sin A upon A is equal to sin B upon B is equal to sin C upon C is equal to 1 upon K. So K sin B is equal to B. So this become B. This is equal to C into cos square A by 2. Clear this? So 2B minus C cos square A by 2, this becomes right hand side. Hence proof. Okay. So easy equation. Only think how to solve this question. Which formula we apply in which question. Only understand this. Now question number 8. Just try to solve this equation 8 yourself. Question 8 given sin B minus C upon sin B plus C is equal to prove that B square minus C square upon X square. Here B is equal to K sin B. Here C is equal to K sin C. Here A is equal to K sin A. Apply square. Simplify this and get these terms. Clear this? Similarly, question number 9 and 10. Just try to solve question yourself up to question number 10. Clear? Remaining question we solve in a next lecture. Okay, bye.